This is Project C2, an E.C.D custom Defender 110. C2 is one of the more unique vehicles in our lineup, the 110 4-door soft top. C2 is painted in full gloss marine blue with black and silver accents all round. C2 sits on 16-inch Wolf wheels, finished in white with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a heritage front grille and one round spotlight at the rear. Subtle silver accents on the body hint the original galvanised cappings that would have been in place on very early Land Rovers. Inside, Project C2 features a Momo Indie wood steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Puma Classic front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in a single vertical diamond Garrett Avion caramel leather stitched together in a matching colour. As they only wanted to keep things very close to a factory build, this 110 is powered by the original 300 TDI engine, which has been skillfully rebuilt in-house, paired now with a 4-speed Rover automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern conveniences such as Sony stereo with Apple CarPlay, JL audio sound, and access to USB ports. This 110 provides a thoroughly authentic ride, a fresh factory feel with quality enhancements in all the right places. This vehicle is very special indeed and soon to be cruising the coastline out west.